Hi everyone, let me introduce some features of our machines to you. This is a single injection cylinder machine, which has only one injection cylinder on the injection unit in the middle, connected concentric with a screw and plasticizing motor. There is no oil in the front chamber of the cylinder, so during injection, only air will be pushed out in the front chamber of cylinder, but not oil be pushed out. Resistance of return oil, which is affected by oil temperature, size of valves, size and length of pipes, can reach 10 kg per centimeter square generally. If shooting speed increase, resistance will increase accordingly. Volume ratio between feeding oil and returning oil of our structure is only 1 to 0.25. That is to say, when 100 liter oil feeding into the cylinder, only 25 liter goes to returned. The figure and data above fully shows that return oil resistance of our structure is greatly reduced, which is only 2 kg per centimeter square.